Welcome to the Amcas Letter Writer application tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll walk through using the Letter Writer application, including uploading and updating letters of evaluation. At the end of this video, you will find contact information for Amcas and links to additional resources. Before you sit down to use the Letter Writer application, we suggest reviewing the guidelines for letter writers found at www.aamc.org/AMCAS letters. Also, make sure that you have the applicant's AAMC ID number and the Amcas letter ID number. Both of these numbers should have been provided to you by the applicant and are found on the Amcas letter request form. The Letter Writer application only accepts PDFs. Be sure that you have converted your letter to a PDF before you try to upload it. Remember that most medical schools also require letters of evaluation to be on official letterhead and bear the signature of the author. For example, I wrote a letter in Microsoft Word. With the letter open, click the Office button. When the menu appears, hover on Save As. Then click PDF, or on some computers, Adobe PDF. Then you can navigate to the location where you like to save your letter. When you name the file, be sure to only use letters and numbers because special characters like asterisks or dashes are not permitted and will cause your letter to be rejected. Click Publish when you're finished. Now that your letter is in the correct format, I'll walk you through the steps to upload it. It's easiest to access the Letter Writer application by visiting www.aamc.org/advisors. A link to the Letter Writer application is located in the top right-hand side of that page. Click on Letter Writer Application Sign In button to go to the Letter Writer application site. If you are using the web browser Internet Explorer version 9, you may have to hover your mouse at the top right-hand side of the Advisor Hub page in order to see the Letter Writer Application Sign On button text. The first step after you reach the Letter Writer application homepage is to click Login in order to access the site using your AAMC account. Your AAMC account consists of the same username and password that you may have used to enter the Advisor Information System, or AIS, or the Medical School Admission Requirements, or MSAR, online tool. If you do not have an AAMC account, you will need to create one by clicking Register under Register for a new account on the left side of this page. It's free and only takes a few minutes. After you click Login, you will be led to a new page where you can enter your username and password. Then click Sign In. Once you have logged in, you will see the Letter Writer application homepage. You will then begin by entering the applicant's AAMC ID and letter ID numbers into the boxes next to the Add New Applicant. Remember that both of these numbers are found on the Amcas letter request form. To look up the applicant's record, click Search after you have entered the appropriate ID numbers. The next screen will show you the applicant's name, AAMC ID number, and preferred phone number and email address. Verify that the information displayed here matches the applicant for whom you wish to upload the letter. Note, if you do not have your letter ready, you can click Add Without Uploading found on this page, which will save the applicant's information and add it to your roster, which is sorted by application year and available on the home page of the Letter Writer application. You can come back at any time to upload the letter for that applicant when you're ready. In this example, I've already saved the letter as a PDF, so I'll click Browse to find it. Navigate to the location where you saved the letter. When you find the letter, select it and click Open. You should now see the name of your file in the box next to Letter File to Upload. If you accidentally chose the wrong file in the last step, simply click Browse again to choose a different one. Once you have selected the correct file, click Upload. Before it is added to the student's Amcas application, you should be able to see the preview. If you can't, try opening it in a new window using the link provided. After you verify that this is the letter you wish to submit, click Upload this letter. You will see this confirmation screen when your letter has been successfully uploaded. The applicant will also receive an email notification letting them know that this letter has been added to his or her application. On the home page, you will be able to see all of the applicants you have saved or uploaded a letter for. The date you last uploaded a letter is also shown. While you cannot modify or remove letters previously uploaded, you may upload additional letters for applicants. These updated letters will be appended to the existing letter or letters already in the applicant's file. To add an updated letter, click Upload for the desired applicant and follow the steps previously covered in this tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial. For more information about Amcas or to share your feedback, please contact us using any of the information shown here.